Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Pinson local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need to find a reliable and cheap Pinson moving company? Look no further than 3Movers. We offer complete local and long-distance moving services you can use for all kinds of moves. Whether it's a residential or commercial move you need to handle, we can help. Our team is ready to make moving easier for you. We provide you with the right moving services to make your long-distance moves simple, such as packing services. You don't have to waste your time with packing and unpacking. Moving supplies. No more used boxes or cheap moving supplies when you work with us. An on-time move. Don't worry about delays or cancellation when you hire our moving team. Upfront pricing. You can count on our moving estimate to be accurate, licensed, and insured. Don't worry about your things as you can trust us to move them for you. When it's time to relocate across the country or just one state over, you need help. It's a stressful process. While we might not be able to handle everything involved, we can certainly take care of moving your things for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pinson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.